Aisha. Today we go to Turkey. Yes, Yusuf. Big airplanes are waiting. I want to see the clouds.
Yusuf, pack your clothes carefully.
Teddy wants to visit Turkey too.
Teddy needs a passport.
Passports are ready for our trip.
Is my picture inside? Yes. You look very cute. Bye, house. See you later. Turkey adventure is starting now.
Everyone inside the taxi.
Wow. Big airplane. Soon we will fly too. Turkey is waiting for us. This airport is huge. Many families travel here every day.
Stay close to us, little traveler.
Where do our bags go? The airplane carries them for us.
We got our tickets.
Beep machine looks funny. Just walk slowly, Yusuf. I am a robot traveler. Our airplane is so big. It looks like a giant bird. Soon we will fly in the sky. We are inside the airplane.
Yes, Captain Yusuf is ready.
Captain Teddy too.
So many tiny buttons.
Don't press all of them.
Sit safely for takeoff.
We are flying so high.
The clouds look beautiful today.
The sky looks like cotton candy.
The clouds look fluffy. They look like giant marshmallows. Teddy wants to jump on them.
Time for a little snack.
Airplane snacks taste funny.
Everything tastes special in the sky.
Turkey is shining.
Welcome to Istanbul.
The city looks magical.
Turkey airport looks different.
We are in a new country now.
Look at the red flags.
This hotel is beautiful. Our room is ready now.
The chairs feel so soft.
Give me my ice cream.
Oops! Too slow. He tricked you again.
I got it at last.
Strong little traveler.
Now eat before it melts. The birds are following us. They want more food.
The Bosphorus is very beautiful.
The mosque is so big.
Speak softly inside the mosque.
It feels peaceful here.
Mosques are places of peace.
The carpet feels very soft. I like the quiet feeling. So many shiny lights. Everything looks colorful here. This market is very old and famous. Oh no, Teddy is missing. Maybe Teddy fell somewhere. I cannot find him. Teddy, where are you? We will find Teddy soon.
Stay calm and keep looking carefully.
I saw a teddy near the lantern shop.
Really? Teddy is there?
Thank you for helping us.
Teddy, I found you. Teddy was waiting for you.
Great job finding your little friend. Teddy likes Turkish dinner too.
Teddy had a busy day.
This was a beautiful family adventure.
Thank you, Allah, for our Turkey trip. Allah gave us beautiful memories. I love our family adventures. Turkey was so much fun. We loved our adventure together.
Like, subscribe, and share for more stories.